The first thing that took me by surprise, partly because I've never really thought much about it, is the fact that there are different kinds of speeches and they all require completely different methodologies and strategies when crafting them. We started out with the epidictic speeches, a branch of rhetoric that deals with ceremonial discourse. Such speeches include graduation speeches, commemorative speeches, award ceremony speeches, and so on. For this assignment, I gave a commemorative speech on serial entrepreneur Mr. Elon Musk, an idol of mine. While this speech was a small-scale one within the class, I still appreciated the goal of the assignment and found it interesting to write a speech about someone I really respected and admired. The next speech type we covered was informative speeches, which could be categorized into four main types: objects, processes, events, and concepts. In any case, informative speeches aim to educate people, provide immense amount of information that is centered around facts. But the key is to make the speech interesting. I was reminded of several presentations I've seen on TED Talk videos and realized it's truly a skill to be able to craft a captivating speech that primarily contains factual content. For this assignment, I wanted to share with the class about something I really admired and something that I really liked, and also something that they would find interesting. So I chose to talk about Google, the company. I really enjoyed preparing for this speech as I got to learn some interesting new facts about the company and also how to craft out a well-organized speech. The third speech type learned in this module was persuasive speeches, and as the name suggests, its goal is to persuade, convince people of something. I personally felt this assignment was the hardest as there were various integral aspects to the speech, such as organization, supporting evidence, ensuring it's persuasive and yet interesting, and so on, all of which had to be done right for the speech to hit its end goal. There are different types of speeches such as questions of value, questions of fact, but for this project, I chose to focus on questions of policy. Within that, I chose to organize my speech according to Monroe's motivated sequence, which consists of 5 main steps: attention, need, satisfaction, visualization, and action. I felt this approach was very apt for persuasive speeches, and it really helped me to organize my thoughts and research when I was working on this speech. Another interesting concept that was covered in this speech type was fallacies. I really liked how a variety of fallacy types were covered, as prior to this module I've only heard of some of the common ones like bandwagon and slippery slope. Having learned the various types, I started to realize that fallacies were being committed all around us all the time. From politicians to everyday conversations with friends, fallacies were being made subconsciously by everyone. And this was something that was really fascinating that I got out of this topic.